In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and edit a Google form. Google Forms is a fantastic tool for creating surveys, quizzes, or collecting any kind of data from a group of people. It's user-friendly and integrates seamlessly with other Google services like Sheets and Drive, making data collection and analysis a breeze. Let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll need to head over to Google Forms. You can do this by navigating to the Google Forms website. Simply type in Google Forms in your browser and you should see it right at the top of your search results. Once you're on the Google Forms homepage, you'll notice a few options. For those who want to start from scratch, look for the blank option. Clicking on this will open up a brand new empty form where you can start adding your questions and customizing the form to your needs. Alternatively, if you're looking for some inspiration or want to save time, you might want to explore the template gallery. Google offers a range of pre-made templates that you can use as a starting point. These templates cover various uses, from event registrations to feedback forms. To explore these, click on Template Gallery, and a variety of options will appear. Simply browse through them and select the one that best matches your needs. Once you've selected a template or started with a blank form, it's time to start editing. This is where you can truly make the form your own. You can change the title, add a description, and start adding questions. Google Forms offers different types of questions you can add, such as multiple choice, checkboxes, or short answer formats. You can also add sections to your form to organize it better, especially if it's long or covers different topics. As you're editing your form, remember that you can also customize the look and feel. Change the theme, colors, or add images to make it visually appealing. This can be done by clicking on the palette icon at the top of the page. It's a great way to ensure your form reflects your branding or personal style. Finally, once you're satisfied with your form, make sure to preview it to see how it looks from the perspective of the respondent. You can do this by clicking the eye icon at the top right. This step is crucial to ensure everything appears as you intended and that the form is easy to understand. And there you have it. You've now learned how to create and edit a Google form. Whether you're collecting RSVPs for an event or gathering feedback from a survey, Google Forms is a versatile tool that can handle it all. Thanks for watching and happy form creating.